Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking for One. Today we're going to do some brunch, so grab an extra large coffee and let's get going. The first thing we're going to do is make a blueberry Bordeaux reduction that we're later going to mix in with some maple syrup to use for our French toast. So you can add the blueberries to low heat, and when they start releasing some juice, we're going to add a quarter bottle of wine. Now this is a cheaper Bordeaux I just picked up at the liquor store. It was like $5 for the bottle. We're going to let that reduce for a while, but while that's going, we can work on our frittata. So we're basically going to dice 1/2 sweet onion, 1/2 yellow bell pepper, and then 1 Roma tomato. Now we're going to dice these the standard way we always do. And our tomato, we're going to treat it the same way as the pepper. You're going to kind of come in the edge like this, scoop all the way around to get the seeds out, and then dice it normal. So once again with the tomato, right there, seed it, get the strips, and then dice it. Now that we get our veggies done, we're going to get our eggs. We're going to take a half dozen eggs cracked into a bowl, and we're going to whisk that together with 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Add a little bit of salt as well. When that's nice and blended together, you can add your veggies in. And we're going to add 4 ounces of shredded cheese. Now, this is a 3-cheese blend. It's Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago. So I'm going to grease these molds real quick and fill them with my mix, and then sit them in this water bath. You kind of want the water to go halfway up the molds. Put that in oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Now this is reduced for a while. We're going to add 1/2 bottle of maple syrup. I use the organic, actual maple syrup, and taste it. You should get a real nice fruitiness to it and a low acidity. It should be decently sweet. Next, we're going to work on our French toast. So in a bowl, we're going to crack 4 eggs. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of cream and blend this together. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 shot of citrus liqueur, and then 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and allspice, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, as well as a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Once that's mixed and put to the side, we're going to slice our brioche to 1.5 inches thick and start dipping that in. Now, what I like to do is I press it once it's in the bowl so it soaks up a lot of the batter. And I'll put these in my pan 3 at a time and let them get kind of crispy on each side. We're going to get a drain board as well. Now when these come out, they should have a decent crust on them and not be too hard and dry in the center. You don't want them overdone, so I'll keep my pan at like a medium-high heat for this. Once we've got all our toast done, it should be about time to check on our frittatas. So clean up your station a little bit. Set all your toasts aside and get ready for the last part. So remove your frittatas from the oven, and what you're going to want to do is take the molds, and you're going to kind of need to pull it from the sides. So you can take a fork or a knife and just cut from the sides. See, I kind of messed one up earlier. Flip it over and it should pop right out. To plate, we do 2 pieces of French toast, a frittata on the side, and then some blueberry syrup over it. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. It was a lot of fun. It's really easy to do. This is a perfect brunch for any kind of Sunday or Mother's Day coming up. So thank you again.